Let me show you how I create Canva letter frames, just like these. These are all individual letters, and then you just download or use elements from Canva. These patterns are here from Canva, and you just drag and drop inside the letter, and it gives it a pattern inside. They're all individual, so they could all be this different patterns inside. This is what the alphabet that I'm going to be using. You just open a blank Canva and then add all the letters of the alphabet, arrange them. And then as you can see, they're all individual right here. And then you're just going to choose what font. Either you could download your own font or use Canva fonts. I usually like the chunky ones like these ones, the round, bold ones. So the pattern fits in better. So once I have the alphabet that I want, the letters that I want, you could also do this with numbers. I'm going to go ahead and change the color. I just like changing the color of them. And I'm going to choose this color. Once I have all this, I'm just going to go ahead and download it as a PNG, transparent background, because we are going to convert this PNG to an SVG. What I use to convert it to an SVG is go into the website convertio.com right here, and we're just going to choose the file. So just choose the PNG that you just downloaded. And then we're going to go ahead and right here choose SVG and choose convert. Once it processes, you're going to go ahead and click on download. Once you're in download, it will download at an SVG. I open Photopea and open this new file right here, SVG. Then it will, all my alphabet is going to download, and all separate alphabets right here. All letters are separate. I'm going to get my pattern that I am going to be masking to each letter. I'm just going to put it on top of the whole alphabet right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and right click right here, and then go all the way down to clip masking. So it did the masking right here. I am just going to go ahead and do the same to all of them. But how I'm going to do it is I am going to hold on the Alt key in the keyboard, and then I am just going to drag it down. See the same one, just drag it down. It's like copy and paste. And I'm going to do that, and then how automatically it masks all of them one at a time. And there it is. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finish up right here. Once I'm done masking all the letters or copying the masking, the clip masking, I'm going to go ahead and save it as a PSD. So you go right here to your files, you save as PSD, then you're going to get the save box right here, and then just save it and open it up in a blank Canva frame. Right here, you drag this one to the projects right here. It's going to load, and once it loads, and then you're able to bring it into your blank Canva right here, canvas. And then so once it appears right here, if you could see those black letters, that is the SVG, which I will be deleting because I don't need this the black alphabet letters. So I'm going to go to my positions, and it's going to show me right here the layers. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all these black ones and leave the goldens, because that is the clip masking, and that you deleted, and you are left with the frame. So right here, if you delete it, see it leaves the frame right here. So this is how I do my Canva frames. This is alphabets. You could do with other objects, other images. And then here I'm just adding the patterns just so you could see that it's just get a pattern and then drag it into the alphabet, and then just drop it down here. Thank you guys for watching.